Welcome to the Golden Ball. My name's Graham Craft from Craft Facade, and over here at Craft Facade we use a tagline of innovative construction solutions. The project we're looking at today is the Gold Ball project, which is one of 12 contracts that we signed for the K11 project. The concept was to bring together 100 creative people, including architects, artisans, craftsmen and designers, to create, in K11's words, a cultural retail destination. The Gold Ball project was designed by Spears & Major, who are a leading lighting consultant. And the Gold Ball was a centrepiece of Spears & Major's design, with many elements of the Gold Ball replicated in other parts of the project. The initial drawings that they showed us were 3D renders. Craft was brought on board to take that concept and develop a structural system that would give Spears & Majors the effect that they desired. When we reconfigured the geometry of the Gold Ball, we also made sure that, as much as possible, the horizontal elements of the ball lined up with other areas of the project. And you can see we also adjusted the first level of the horizontal element to match up with the floor below. So you can see in these early sketches we're already looking at how we're going to make these nodes and how we're going to join the arms together, and the concept of where we'll have fixed points and where we'll have sliding points. We're inside the Gold Ball here, and we can see the structure of the Gold Ball with the nodes here and the arms radiating out from there and the cut glass in the middle. By designing it in CAD and then exporting that CAD information into step files for CNC machinery, we were able to ensure that the product that was machined was exactly the same as the drawings that we'd done. This was a lot different to the proposal that was put forward originally, which was a steel frame with welded connections. After designing the structure with the nodes and the arms, then we moved on to the LEDs to work out a way to make the LEDs most efficient. We theorised that we'd be able to do it with one LED and make a reflector in it so that we could halve the amount of LEDs. So here's some original sketches that we did showing the difference between 2 rows of LED and 1 row of LED. And after we proposed this, Spears & Major were receptive to that idea, so we moved on to do mock-ups. The final structure was to be built with laminated glass, with one side of the glass cut like a crystal goblet and the other side flat glass with a laminate in between. In order to do the mock-ups quickly, we had acrylic panels CNC machined in various shapes with different LEDs, shining them in the side, so that we could try and get a very fast refinement of the concept and then move on to mock-ups in the actual materials to show the actual effect of the glass and the LEDs. Inside the Golden Ball was designed to be used as an exhibition space. In order to make that work, it had to have a door. So we looked at various different shapes and sizes of doors. So there's many different iterations of it. Eventually, because of the weight of the structure, it's fabricated in much lighter sections with stainless steel mesh. And it rolls on wheels at the bottom and guide rail at the top so that it maintains the shape. Here at Craft, we're very proud of our safety record. It's very important to me to provide a safe working environment for the workers. When we're considering design, one of the major things that we're considering is safety, and this particular project is no exception. By designing this as a system that was CNC machined in the factory, it meant that it was a very safe system to install on site. We didn't need to have site propping and site welding and all those things that make a site unsafe. We designed it as a CNC'd element that was able to be bolted together and was a self-supporting structure. Our tagline here at Craft is innovative construction solutions, and this project here represents some of our best work.